What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the time to auto lock the secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings, and after that click on secure folder. Now in secure folder, click on auto lock secure folder option. Now from here you can set the time to auto lock secure folder. You can select each time I leave the app. So when you will select this option, whenever you will close the secure folder app, it will get locked. You can set it to when screen turns off, after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and when phone restarts. So just simply tap on option to select, and after selecting, that time will be set as the auto lock secure folder time. So that's how you can set the time to auto lock the secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.